Hello and welcome. My name is Molly Kellgren, Health Science Product Manager here at Realityworks. Thanks for joining me today as I give you a sneak peek into the curriculum components for Realityworks Medical Math Training Kit. Realityworks places a high priority not only on the creation of quality products, but on curriculum creation as well. You will receive a link to the online curriculum when you receive your product kit. When you access that link, you will have a lesson plan with clearly identified learner objectives, instructor PowerPoint presentations with supporting notes, and depending on the individual curriculum, there are student worksheets or workbooks with answer keys, as well as assessment checklists or quizzes along with answer keys. All of these materials are organized into a consistent pattern of focus, learn, and review. Complete an initial activity with students to focus their minds on the upcoming topics. Use the PowerPoint presentations to help students learn in the classroom. Use the assessment tools to provide an active review of the student's performance. All materials are created in close collaboration with subject matter experts to ensure accuracy and a reflection of current best practices, with the goal of making the instructor's job as easy as possible. The curriculum related specifically to the Medical Math Training Kit follows the same pattern of focus, learn, and review. There are 7 different lessons that cover topics like fractions and decimals, metric measurements and conversions, as well as various types of dosage calculations for both adult and pediatric populations. The kit comes with 20 student workbooks that correspond with each of the lessons. The instructor PowerPoint presentations provide all the materials you need to teach your students about the topics necessary for mastery of medical math. A summative quiz that assesses students' medical math skills wraps up the entire lesson. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the curriculum support that Realityworks provides. If you have further questions, please use the email address on your screen. We are happy to help.